गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. तर आजच्या या क्लासमध्ये आपण मायसेली म्हणजे नेमकं काय आणि सी एम सी क्रिटिकल मायसेली कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन त्याबद्दल माहिती पाहणार आहोत. तसंच बायलेअर त्यांचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं असतं किंवा तिथे असणारे जे मॉलिक्यूल आहेत त्यांचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं असतं किंवा मायसेलीमध्ये आणि बायलेअरमध्ये नेमका फरक काय याबद्दलची माहिती या क्लासमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत. तर बघूया. मायसेली मे बी डिफाईन टू बी ॲग्रिगेट्स ऑफ अ लॉंग चेन डायफिलिक मॉलिक्यूल. Myceli may be defined to be aggregates of a long chain diphilic molecule. That means it consists of a long chain diphilic molecule formed spontaneously at a definite concentration. This process is known as a mycelization. That means the process of formation of a myceli from the long chain diphilic molecule at a definite concentration is known as mycelization. म्हणजेच एकंदरीत असं म्हणता येईल आपल्याला इथे की मायसेली फॉर्म करण्याच्या प्रोसेसला मायसेलायझेशन म्हणतात. परंतु मायसेली कशापासून तयार होत आहे तर लॉंग चेन डायफिलिक मॉलिक्यूलपासून ॲट अ डेफिनाइट कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. दिस प्रोसेस इज टेक्स प्लेस स्पॉन्टेनियसली. देन सच अ प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ mycelization. There are spherical structure that contain anywhere from few to few thousand amphipathic molecule. The myceli have a spherical structure that contain anywhere from a few to few thousands of amphipathic molecule. These molecules are arranged with their hydrophobic region aggregated in the interior. म्हणजेच त्या डायफिलिक मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये हायड्रोफोबिक जो पार्ट आहे तो इंटेरियरमध्ये ॲग्रिगेट झालेला असतो. दिस डायफिलिक मॉलिक्यूल, द हायड्रोफोबिक part of these diphilic molecules are aggregated in the interior. Water is excluded and their hydrophilic head group at the surface in contact with the water. म्हणजेच इथे जे डायफिलिक मॉलिक्यूल आहे त्यातला हायड्रोफिलिक पार्ट जो आहे तो इंटेरियरमध्ये असतो, तर हायड्रोफिलिक हेड ग्रुप जे आहे ते वॉटरच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये असतात. मायसेली फॉर्मेशन इज अ फेवर्ड व्हेन द क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया ऑफ द हेड ग्रुप. मायसेली फॉर्मेशन इज फेवर्ड व्हेन द क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया ऑफ द हेड ग्रुप इज ग्रेटर दॅन दॅट of acyl side chain. Myceli formation is favored when the cross sectional area of the head group is greater than that of acyl side chain. Consequently, the dilute aqueous solution of amphiphilies do not form myceli. The dilute aqueous solution of amphiphilies do not form myceli until their concentration suppresses a certain critical myceli concentration. The dilute aqueous solution of amphiphilies do not form myceli. That means the dilute aqueous solution of these molecules do not form myceli until their concentration suppresses a critical myceli concentration. That means CMC. Above the CMC, almost all added amphiphils. Above the CMC, almost all the added amphiphils aggregated to form myceli. A single tail lipids tends to form myceli. तर यामध्ये आपल्याला मायसेलीबद्दल आयडिया दिलेली आहे की नेमकं काय असतं बा. तर इथे डायफिलिक मॉलिक्यूल असतात. व्हेन द सम लिपिड्स आर ॲडेड इन वॉटर, then the diphilic molecules present in that aqueous solution aggregated spontaneously at a definite concentration. This process is known as micellization. These micelle have a spherical structure. The hydrophobic part are aggregated in an interior and hydrophilic part are in contact with water or surface. Mycelial formation is favored when the cross-sectional area of the head group is greater than that of a acyl side chain. The dilute aqueous solution of amphiphilids do not form mycelial unit until their concentration surpasses or suppresses the certain critical mycelial concentration. Above the CMC, almost all added amphiphilids aggregated. There is some limitation. There is some condition of concentration above which the formation of mycelium takes place. This concentration range is called as a critical mycelium concentration. Above this critical mycelium concentration, almost all added amphiphilids aggregated to form mycelium. A single-tailed lipid tends to form a mycelium. The biological function of mycelium. There is a structure of mycelia are given here. This is the diphilic molecule, and this one is the hydrophilic polar head group, and this is the hydrophobic tail. This one is the hydrophobic tail, which are come in contact with the hydrophobic part, and it excluded water, but the hydrophilic polar head are in contact with aqueous solution or water. The biological function of a mycelium. This type of molecule is called as a diphilic molecule because there is a one hydrophilic part and this one is the hydrophobic part. Therefore, it is called as the diphilic molecule. And the single-tailed lipid, also it is called as a single-tailed lipid. The biological function of mycelium, its interactions among the lipid molecule provide thermodynamic driving force for the stability. The interaction among the lipid molecule, the interaction among the different lipid molecule provide thermodynamic driving force for the stability and maintenance of this cluster in that solution. Now the second one is the bilayer. How the bilayer is formed? In that case, which type of molecules are used here? We have to see. It is the second type of a lipid aggregate. It is the second type of lipid aggregate in water. It forms when the two lipid monolayer. It forms when the two lipid monolayer, that is the leaflet, from the two-dimensional sheet form a two-dimensional sheet. It is a second type of lipid aggregate. First one is the mycelia and second one is the bilayer. It is the second type of lipid aggregate in water. It forms when the two lipid monolayer. It forms when the two lipid monolayer, that is leaflet, form a two-dimensional sheet. The bilayer formation occur most readily. Bilayer formation occur most readily when the cross-sectional area of the head group. When the cross-sectional area of the head group and acyl side chains are similar as in a glycophospholipid sphingolipid. The hydrophobic portion in such a monolayer, excluded from the water. The hydrophobic portion in each monolayer excluded from the water and interact with each other. The hydrophilic head group interact with water at each surface of the bilayer. In the structure of this bilayer, this one is the hydrophilic polar head group, and this is the hydrophobic part. The interaction between the hydrophobic acyl side chain in the two monolayer. This is the first monolayer and this one is the second monolayer. This it shows the interaction between the hydrophobic part of two monolayer, and in the monolayer the upper part contain hydrophilic polar head group, and in the second layer the hydrophilic polar head groups are present at the bottom portion, and the hydrophobic part are interact with the hydrophobic part of one layer interact with the hydrophobic part of another layer. So such a type of structure are shown for bilayer. In our topic, or we have to discuss here the structure of the myceli as well as bilayer shortly. तर या क्लासच्या माध्यमातून आपण नेमकं मायसेलीचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं असते तसंच बायलेयरचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं असते हे थोडक्यात जाणून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. तरी यूट्यूबवर भरपूरसे व्हिडिओ या मायसेलीवर आणि बायलेयरवर आपल्याला मिळतील. त्या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून तसंच आपल्याला प्रोव्हाइड केलेल्या ज्या नोट्स आहे या व्यवस्थितपणे न आल्यामुळे केवळ फक्त त्यांचं स्ट्रक्चर पाहून आपण ते थोडक्यात समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करावा. तरी आजचा हा व्हिडिओ या दोन स्ट्रक्चर या व्हिडिओमधून दोन स्ट्रक्चर सांगण्याचा मी थोडक्यात प्रयत्न केला. तर आपण सुद्धा ऑनलाईन माहिती पाहून किंवा आपल्याकडे असलेल्या पुस्तकांचा वापर करून मायसेली आणि बायलेयर फॉर्मेशन व्यवस्थितपणे समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न कराल अशी आपणाकडून अपेक्षा करतो आणि इथेच थांबतो. धन्यवाद.